In this video, I will teach you how to create and edit property groups in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your settings that can be found on the gear icon on the upper corner. Once you have clicked on this, you just need to head over and then locate the properties option. Here's our properties, so click on this. Now, into this case, this will load our objects. So for this case, just choose your object that you want to edit, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. So just choose in here the properties, and then head over and then click on those. Alternatively, you can also click on this groups, and in here you can create group if you want. So click on this create group in order to create one and then name it. So for example, let's just name this team and click on save. And then once the theme was created, you can head over and then edit that. So let's try to edit some other options. So click on edit right here, head over and save this. And you can head over and click on the view properties in order to edit its actual options. So for this case, you can create properties based on this particular field. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.